Have you ever put on white pants, looked in the mirror, and felt something was off, even though the outfit looked expensive? For a black woman of 60 or more, white pants can be pure elegance, or they can quietly add weight, dull the skin, and age the entire look. Today, I'll reveal the 4 mistakes that ruin white pants, and the final one can completely transform your presence. The first mistake is invisible because most women do not notice it when they are getting dressed. It is not the white pants themselves. It is what you wear underneath them. White pants reveal everything: the line of the underwear, the color contrast, the fabric texture, and even the shape of the seams. And for a mature black woman who wants elegance, polish, and softness, this small detail can decide whether the outfit looks refined or careless. Many women still believe that white underwear is the safest choice under white pants, but that is one of the biggest traps. White under white often becomes brighter than the pants, creating a visible patch that draws attention to exactly the area you want to keep smooth and discreet. Black underwear can create the opposite problem, forming a strong shadow that interrupts the clean line of the outfit. The most elegant solution is underwear that disappears against your own skin tone, especially in warm brown, caramel, deep mocha, or rich espresso shades, depending on your complexion. The second part of this invisible mistake is fabric. Thin cotton, shiny satin, or lace with raised details can show through white pants, even when the color is right. A smooth, seamless piece with gentle support gives the body a cleaner silhouette and lets the pants become the star. This is not about hiding your body. It is about honoring it with intention. White pants already bring light to the outfit. They make you look fresh, modern, and beautifully present. But if the foundation underneath is wrong, the entire look loses its quiet luxury. Elegance begins before the blouse, before the shoes, before the jewelry. It begins with the layer no one is supposed to see. And here is the question: if the hidden layer can ruin the outfit, what visible detail can make white pants look instantly more expensive, especially on rich black skin? I'll reveal that powerful contrast later, because it changes everything. And as you continue watching, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so this elegant conversation always finds its way back to you. The luxury solution begins with one simple idea: white pants should never look accidental. They should look chosen. When a black woman of 60 or more wears white pants, the outfit needs balance, structure, and softness at the same time. The mistake many women make is pairing white pants with tops that are too thin, too tight, too busy, or too casual. That is when the pants stop looking elegant and start looking difficult to style. A white pant is already a statement. It brings light, freshness, and confidence. So the top must support that statement, not compete with it. Instead of a flimsy t-shirt that clings to the stomach or a loud printed blouse that cuts the body in half, choose fabrics that have presence. A silky blouse, a structured linen shirt, a soft knit cardigan, or a relaxed blazer can turn white pants into a complete, sophisticated look. The secret is to create a column of elegance. If your pants are wide leg, let the top have shape at the shoulder or waist. If your pants are straight leg, choose a blouse that drapes gently without swallowing the body. If your pants are slim, add a longer layer, such as a light jacket, duster, or tunic, that moves beautifully when you walk. This gives confidence without looking like you are trying too hard. Color also matters. Harsh neon shades can make white pants feel cheap, while overly pale colors may wash out the face. For mature black women, luxurious tones are powerful. Ivory, champagne, chocolate, cinnamon, navy, emerald, burgundy, camel, and soft gold. These shades respect the richness of melanin and bring warmth to the face. The goal is not to dress younger. The goal is to look radiant, current, and expensive in a way that feels natural. And please remember this: elegance is not about wearing more. It is about choosing better. One beautiful blouse in the right fabric can do more for your image than 5 trendy pieces that do not serve your body or your presence. If your image is important to you and you would like more content like this, comment "I am elegant" below. Because when you dress with intention, every room feels your confidence before you even speak. The secret of contrast is where white pants become truly powerful on black women of 60 or more. White brings brightness, but contrast gives it authority. Without contrast, white pants can make the outfit look unfinished, especially if everything around them is too pale, too soft, or too close in color. But when you place white pants beside rich, intentional tones, your natural beauty becomes the center of the look. For mature Black women, contrast is not only about fashion, it is about how clothing interacts with skin, hair, posture, and presence. Deep brown skin, golden undertones, silver curls, salt and pepper hair, honey highlights, or a beautifully defined shortcut can all become more striking when the outfit has depth. That is why pairing white pants with a rich chocolate blouse, a navy blazer, a caramel belt, a deep emerald shirt, or gold jewelry can make the entire face look more awake and refined. One mistake is wearing white pants with a top that is too close to the pants but not quite the same shade. A bright white pant with a dull cream blouse can look mismatched instead of elegant. If you want a monochrome look, make it intentional with similar whites, beautiful textures, and accessories that connect everything. Otherwise, choose contrast with confidence. Accessories are also part of this secret. A warm leather sandal, a structured handbag, a polished belt, or earrings that catch the light can anchor the outfit. White pants need grounding. Without it, the look may feel exposed or incomplete. With it, the outfit becomes graceful, modern, and quietly luxurious. This is why the visible detail I mentioned earlier matters so much. Contrast frames your beauty. It tells the eye where to look. It lifts the face, defines the waist, and makes white pants feel expensive instead of plain. And because I want this to be simple for you, I chose beautiful clothing items that work beautifully with white pants for women who value elegance, comfort, and confidence. You will see them appearing on the screen, and I also placed them in the video description for you. Now comes the final transformation. The biggest mistake is wearing white pants without considering proportion. This is the mistake that can make an elegant woman look shorter, wider, or less polished than she truly is. But when proportion is right, white pants become one of the most flattering pieces in your wardrobe. The revelation is this: never wear white pants with a top, shoe, or hemline that cuts your body in the wrong place. A long, shapeless blouse that ends at the widest part of the hips can make the body look heavy. A cropped top that exposes the stomach can feel uncomfortable instead of sophisticated. A shoe that is too bulky or too dark can interrupt the leg line. And pants that are too tight, too thin, or too long can turn elegance into effort. The transformation happens when everything flows. Choose white pants with enough structure to skim the body, not squeeze it. Let the hem fall cleanly, especially with straight leg, wide leg, or softly tailored styles. Pair them with a top that defines the upper body, a belt that gently marks the waist, or a jacket that creates vertical lines. Then choose shoes that lengthen the leg, such as nude sandals close to your skin tone, metallic flats, pointed toe shoes, wedges, or elegant low heels. This is the promise from the beginning. White pants do not have to add weight, reveal too much, or make your outfit look unfinished. When the foundation disappears, the fabric has quality, the contrast frames your beauty, and the proportions honor your body. White pants become fresh, expensive, youthful, and powerful. For a Black woman of 60 or more, the goal is not to hide age. The goal is to dress with the kind of authority that says, "I know who I am." White pants can soften your look, brighten your face, and make your presence feel modern, but only when they are styled with intention. Elegance is not about perfection. It is about choices that respect your body, your beauty, and the woman you have become. White pants are not the problem. The problem is wearing them without the right foundation, fabric, contrast, and proportion. When each detail works with your body and your melanin, your look becomes brighter, slimmer, softer, and more expensive. Keep choosing elegance with intention, because beauty after 60 is not fading. It is becoming more refined. Now watch the next video on your screen, because it will help you become even more beautiful.